This is Project Find It, an ECD custom Defender 110 finished to our client's exact specification. Project Find It is painted in full gloss Epsom green with black accents. Find It sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. It also features 4 LED round spotlights up front and 1 at the rear. Inside, Project Find It features an Exmoor Evander steering wheel with red steely set gauges, 2 Corbeau trail cap front and mid-row seats with a custom-made storage drawer in the cargo area. Each seat is finished in a single vertical diamond Garrett Avion bridle and Caressa vellum leather, stitched together in dark brown. This 110 is powered by a GM LS3 430 horsepower engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. Find It also features an array of modern elements such as touchscreen stereo with JL audio speakers and rear AC,